everyone, my name is Kenzo and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a different room. I have another ring light. I bought a lot of new stuff. I'm changing rooms because the other room, bitch, I could hardly film there because there was like a window above my head. So when the sun was shining really hard, it got really yellow, my skin. So I really needed to change rooms, so that's what I did. It's not finished yet because I want to change backgrounds, but step by step, as you might know. That's the long story short, but I'm not gonna talk about that today. I'm going to do another makeup tutorial, and today I have some new products again from MAC, some mascaras, the lipstick, and I really wanted to try that out. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm gonna use the colors yellow, red, and blue. So the primary colors basically, and if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to prime my eyes, as always. I always do the same thing, so I hate more. And I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eden Eye Primer. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Yeah. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo. Everybody wanna do the. And now that we did this, I'm gonna dip into the Zoeva Matte Spectrum palette, and I'm gonna dip into the MT130 with my electric palette, small side of the brush. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. And now that we did this, I'm gonna take my MUD 350 brush and I'm gonna dip in the same color and blend it out a little bit, or just not really blend it out. Whatever, you will see what I'm going to do. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Then I'm gonna take my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petit Crease and dip into the same color again. Do my own thing and I maintain flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water. Then I'm gonna take my MAC 221 and dip into that same color. Like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Like this, now that it looks like fucking shit, we're gonna continue. So right now I'm gonna take my pigment from MAC. I mixed the Rocket Yellow with the orange pigment, as you might know right now already. And I'm going to take my 221 from MAC, dip into it. This look like so exciting. Now I'm gonna take my electric palette brush from Urban Decay and I'm gonna take the small side of it again and I'm gonna dip into the MT150. Come So I'm gonna take the Zoeva 231 brush again, dip into the yellow that I made again, and I'm gonna go overneath it once again. Then I'm going to take my Mud 310 brush and I'm going to use my concealer from Urban Decay, the Light Warm, and I'm going to detail the cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Mud 350 brush and I'm going to dip into the Zoeva palette again into MT080.
In a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows.
So right now, oh why do I always say so? I'm going to take my electric palette brush, a small side of it, and I'm going to dip into the MT150.
Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me.
So right now I'm going to take my Zoeva 231 Lux Petit Crease brush and I'm going to dip into the MT130.
Empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete.
Okay, then now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and for the eyeliner I'm gonna use, as always, the Kat Von D in Trooper. So right now I'm gonna use my Urban Decay eye pencil in the color Deep End for my waterline, of course.
It's a picture in my head, and I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see.
Then I'm going to use my Lily Lashes, the Miami ones.
The planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete.
Like this, and then I'm first gonna try one of my new colors from the limited edition line. I don't know which line it is, to be honest, from MAC. It's the yellow mascara called Energize, and I'm gonna put this on my bottom lashes. And you really have to layer them. this, and then we're gonna go overneath them once again. I'm absolutely in love with this mascara, bitch, please. Maybe I'm gonna give them a third layer because I want it really, really, really bright. But first, I'm gonna use my Benefit Roller Lash to go overneath my fake eyelashes. Then I'm gonna highlight, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonshot palette with that angled shading brush from Boozy Shop. And I'm going to dip into blue eyes. And the rest of my face, I'm going to use Lucky Clover. For my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier brush. Oh my god, it looks like a LED light my nose. Hi! So now for the lips, I'm gonna use a yellow color, the Matte Yellow You Dare from MAC. Okay, and then all we still need to do is to put some Urban Decay setting spray on top of it. That's right, girl. Yes, that's right. Okay, I love this shade on my lips so motherfucking much, but it's only for Instagram pics or YouTube videos because it's gonna disappear so quick. Like, bitch, I talk for like 1 second and it's already going. Maybe I should buy a pencil with it to put underneath it because otherwise, bitch. So this is today's look. I wanted to work with the primary colors, and yes, I did that. But it turned out to be like a parrot, and I absolutely love that. So I'm gonna call it the parrot inspired makeup look. This mascara is so motherfucking cool. Maybe in my next video, or yeah, maybe in my next video I'm gonna use the other one that I bought because it's so cute. If you like this tutorial, then please give it a big thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share, and see you next time, everyone. Hope you like my setting, by the way, so let me know what you think about it. Bye, everyone!